We're on to the next stage of Chris's car.
This jerk sleeping on the job, supposed to be helping.
Fucking dickhead.
Stage of Chris's car. He's got his ID 1300s, 1050Xs, and full function engineering fuel rails. We're gonna get those on and block off plates. Yeah, I just put the LRB tray on. He's got full function engineering crank kit. I got to finish bolting down. The coil packs are in. Started wiring. I'm gonna get these in and start running the fuel lines, figure out where we're going to put the full function engineering fuel filter, and yeah, get this wired up. Shouldn't be too far off. Might have it run in the next couple of videos here. So yeah, let me get to this and then we'll be right back. You got to put these sleeves in. Well, you got to take the old sleeves out and then insert these. They push all the way down in, and then you can install this fuel rail. So basically all the way in like so. This one's going in a little harder. All right, then fuel rail loaded with injectors, and basically it's a pain in the ass with one hand. Put those down in, and then that'll be one fuel rail. The kit comes with the longer ones for the primaries, and I'm gonna go get some nicer hardware for this, so I'll be right back. All right, they're in. Definitely going to go get some nicer hardware for that, and then I'm gonna tap that and plug it. That way, that I'll put a pipe plug in it, M10 1.5, and then I'll start running the fuel lines. Actually, I'm gonna start cutting these down. Getting harness addressed to the injectors, which are your blue wires there, and then I'm gonna see. I think Chris would like if we probably coat the intake manifold black wrinkle coat or something. He seems to be a fan of the black hardware, so I'm gonna give him a call, see what he wants to do. We'll pull the intake manifold off after everything's all done and mocked up. That way it's just slam it back together and the thing's running. So yeah, gonna run to the store, be back. Oh, got it all wired. Been slacking on the videos. Rails are in, fuel pressure regulators all hooked up, coils are in. Had a few mishaps with finding the wiring diagram for this. Had to reverse the pins on that and on the crank sensor because they mislabeled it, but I figured it out and got it on. I don't know where the cap went, blade, for the antifreeze.
Yeah, put it right.
But now we had a fight with that, got it all on, and we're gonna see what happens here. We got it to fire a couple times, trying to play with the timing here and get it where it's got to go. He gets in the car here after he wipes down all the antifreeze. We'll try and fire this up again. And let me see if I can pull up. Let's see some gauges here. All right. Yeah. You might have to keep it running now because we just got throttle. RPM.
Pull the throttle back a little.
Was it stuck?
This fucking throttle's weird.
Yeah, we gotta figure out the throttle. It wants to get stuck on us. So we'll be right back.